Hi, good morning. Time check, it's 8:03 in the morning. Tapos na akong take a bath. Tapos na rin ako mag-breakfast and may nakakapasok din naman pala talaga ng mga medical workers like nurses. May sinusuot lang sila ng mga vest in order to protect them, no, from the radiation that's coming from my body. And then every now and then, may nurse din na pumapasok to check the radiation level in my body, if it's going down or what. So the instruction is, after I took uh, the iodine capsule na it costs around almost 30,000 for one capsule only, which contains the radiation therapy, no? And then the purpose of that, as I explained before, is to obliterate or sisirain or ablation ang process doon, to destroy or tunawin yung mga naiwan na mga thyroid cells in my body, because that thyroid cells na naiwan or left behind in my body after I had a total thyroidectomy surgery last May 2024, baka mag-contain sila ng mga cancer cells, no? Although they can no longer be detected because of the minute sizes of them, but my doctor said that dili lang ta mo kumpiyansa, no, because of my family history about cancer. So they want to tunawin talaga ito so that makakasiguro sila, or they will be confident enough to tell that it's already gone, no? Although sabi naman ng surgeon ko, the mere removal of my thyroidectomy complies already the cure that they want to happen in my body. But then my endocrine doctor said that we have to go farther, which is the RAI, kasi nga to cover me, to give me more coverage in terms of cancer protection. So I pray for that. And then after ako gitagaan sa tambal gahapon at 1:30 p.m. So naka-vest ang doctor o ang nurse with nasa lay vest nga murag pang covering, murag na sa x-ray machine, pang cover their body para di sila mahawa sa akong radiation. No, so after that, after taking the medicine for 2 hours, no food, and then I was expecting already na magkakaroon na ng mga side effects, no? One of the expected side effects will be nausea or pagsusuka, malipong ka, or other like manghubag ang imuhang thyroid glands to the extent nga maglisod kang tulon. It's hard for you to swallow. And then so nahadlok ko kay kanang muhubag akong kan, but these are rare cases according to the doctor, but it happens. So that's why they prepared a medicine for me. I thought that they will give it to me already, but sabi ng doctor, no, we will not give you these medicines until the symptoms will appear, no? Kung dili ka kasukaon, dili ka tagaan, no? So kung dili mo hubag imuhang neck, dili katagaan sad ato. So they are prepared, the medicines are already in the nurse station. Pag maka-feel ko ato nga mga symptoms, na aman sila listahan diri nga gihatag sa ako, what are the possible symptoms that I will feel, no, after the medicine. So after 5 minutes katulgon ko, maybe because I was anxious, I was because I'm alone, no one, I don't have someone to talk to here in the room because I'm alone. And so maybe na-anxious ko, then I prayed, and then after that, parang na-relax ko. I listened to some Christian music. I listened to some news, no, but not the politics news, kasi magsamot daw akong anxiety, sabi ng doctor. So sabi ng doctor, you watch comedy shows, you watch other shows that will comfort me. So what I did was to watch my regular mga topics, special topics that I need for my personal enhancement, no, like anything na basta dili lang toxic, things like that. So nakatulog ko for around 1 hour and a half. So when I woke up, I feel nothing. I felt nothing. So and then the nurse came in and then, sir, kumusta? Do you have any symptoms? Na ano ba kayo na gibati ng mga symptoms? Because we have to take note of that so that I can call already your doctor to come up. Because the doctor is just on the ground. She's the head doctor. I forgot her name, but she's the head of the nuclear medicine here in Chongwa, Mandaue. So siya yun mismo ang nag-attend sa ako. So and then later on, the doctor called me by phone, asking me how kumusta ka, what do you feel? Sabi ko, okay lang naman ako, doc. Nataranta na po ko because tinanong ko, ay, it's okay because alam mo, yung mga symptoms kasi will appear 4 hours and beyond. Kuhay sa akala ko, doc, dili na dyan ko makafeel ato nga symptoms. Wa pa di ay kay 4 hours pa man di ay na mo effect siya. Yeah, because the medicine we gave you is mild kasi nga dili man to severe ang cancer. No, it was discovered on its earliest stage, no, dili ta gyud siya inana ka grabe. It was its earliest stage. So ibagay-bagay daw na kuno ang timpla sa katunga. Tapos pag biopsy after the surgery, nakita man dito sa biopsy ang sa thyroid nako nga it has not metastasized yet. Wala pa gani siya kaabot sa mga lymph nodes. Naapagid siya dito sa mga nodules. Wala pa siya kagawas. No, but then again, the radiation has to be done kasi wa man gud ta kahibaw nga doon na pag yung mga minute nga mga nodules nga dili makita sa microscope ug mao na ang purpose sa radiation therapy. Okay. Moving forward, pagka 6 o'clock sa gabi, by the way, ang akong food is very bati jud, tabang jud kaayo tanan. No, as in no salt, parang oh my god, parang musamot pa sa depressed anyway. And again, antos lang ta kay unsaon ta man we are in this situation and we have to fight also, and I have to tell myself that hey, you have to step up kasi pag magpaluya-luya ka, things might be coming worse, no? So again, I think the nurse is calling me or the doctor is calling me because they cannot get in. So they will just call me every now and then. How am I? Excuse me, huh? Hello? Yes? Uh-huh. The clopidogrel will be given after dinner. Naapa, oo. I don't know, pero i-charge lang sa para rin ako magamit ang akong stock. Ha? After dinner na ang clopidogrel. Okay? I think that's for Sega. It's no longer Liseco. It's for Sega kay lisod pangitaon ang Liseco. Wala ko nagdala sa Forsiga. I-charge na lang please. Okay? Morning ang Forsiga. Morning. I-charge lang. I-charge lang. Ang katuran sa diabetes nga tambal may na ako pero wala man mo na dire. Kabalo ko it's hard to find. Oo. Sa to Telenison. I think that was Telenison. Katong Liptin ang last nga word. Yeah, nag-inom na ko. Okay, thank you. Okay, sige. Asa mo nyo, ibutang ninyo sa gawas lang ang medicine. Mag-vital signs mo. Okay, sige. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so yun na nga. So, instead of going inside my room, most of the time they call me every now and then. So, especially last night, so di ko katulog. Kaya magsige silang tawag. How do you feel? What are the side effects that you are feeling? So murag worried kay sila sa ko nga baka ma-feel na ko to basta basin ma-overwhelm ko. So I told them don't you worry kay di ba kamura biya nag-ingon the side effects is very rare. The medicine now that's given in the REI is unlike the medicines before nga di pa siguro kay to na perfect. So this time the REI medicines are more advanced. So the how do you call it, the side effects are lesser, or ang term sa doctor is well tolerated. So don't you worry, I will just call you kung paano na ako'y ma-feel. So mo to nakatulog na po ko. So pagkabuntag, that's already 12 hours after the how do you call it, the intake of the medicine. Sabi ko, wala pa mangyapon ko, praise the Lord, wala gyapon ko na feel pa nga mga side effects. But then again, baka mo surface lang na sila of later na kay ingon man lang yung nurse nga it will take 12 to how many hours bago mag-effect if there will be some kasi slow release daw kuno ang gigamit nga medicine sa ako is slow release nga para in fact the medicine will still be working 5 to 6 months after it will be taken. No, it will still be working, meaning magsige po siya panghilis og mga thyroid cells even up to 5 to 6 months. Do on the 6th month tumor marker na pod ko, no, kung dapat ang mga figures nga naa dito is almost zero, no, or wala na jud sila ma-detect. So every 6 months na ko i-check about the tumor markers in my the tumor markers simply means na i-check nila if there are movements or recurrence in the cancer that I had before, no? So ampo lang ko, I hope you can also pray for me na dili na in town siya mo record kay the disease is bad. The medicine is very expensive, no? Nagpasalamat ng sa gani ko na ako'y trabaho nga at least natay income gamay, makasave ta para yun lang nga yung pang na-save na to nga kwarta para ra po sa atong mga sakit-sakit. But sige lang, makitaan naman ang kwarta, no, makitaan naman ang kwarta. As long as buhion pa ta sa Ginoo, let's still continue to live the life He wants us to live, fulfilling, joyful, loving. You know, I'm so thankful that I have friends and I have my family. I have my sister Mananingning who is very supportive to me. My friends, Albert, my Japanese sister Teresa in Japan. Thank you, sis, for your support. My friends, Albert, Danny, Dan, thank you kaayo. Vito, Emor, and for the rest of my friends who are praying for me. Thank you so much. I know that you are with me in spirit. It's in spirit of the glass, no? Salamat kaayo sa inyong kuan. So ano lang ta, positive lang man gyud ko, positive pa lang gyud ko nga the Lord will not leave us as long as we will always be connected to Him, no? Dili lang sa dato kalimtan ang Ginoo. So forget lang sa taan ng mga toxic na mga topics karong mga panahon na kay it will not help us, no? They have their own life to live. They have the money. So, let them be. Kita nga kanang pangitaonon kay atong kwarta. Let's live each day at a time. So, thank you kaayo. So, Lyle, thank you po kaayo for always checking me up and then making me safe, driving me home, driving me where. It's always Lyle who drives me whenever I go to the doctor or an emergency cases na agad siya permis ako at samahan ko sa hospital. Karon lang dili siya pwede makasama na ako because yun nga I am into how do you call it? I am into radiation. So ayan na, my nurse is here. So she will be taking Mona siya, that's yeah, good morning nurse. That's the suit that they will be wearing so that they will not be, how do you call it, contaminated with my radiation. Tama ba, nurse? Tama na. Okay, sige. So, diri lang sa takotob. So, thank you so much for all those who are following me. Thank you. What's your name?
Kyla.
Kyla. Because she's a beautiful nurse from Chongwa. Naka-assign lang sila dito sa mga radioactive, no?
6B floors.
6B floors. All of them are under treatment for the radiation, no? Gradaghan kaayo sila no kadagdagan na nag-REI rong mga panahon na. What happened? It's because of the what to thyroid nila problem.
Sir, oo.
Sige, sige. So thank you diri lang sa takita maghatag pa siya medicines nako. Thank you. Good morning.